Hi, how are you doing? I'm going to be doing a tutorial for ground coverage, clovers, ivy, ground texture, please. So I'm going to be drawing it perspective, horizon line, and I'm going to be showing you how to show it in a proper perspective so it looks real and gives the illusion of depth in your drawing. And I'm not going to be drawing anything else in the drawing, just that, so you can implement it into your own artwork, whatever you happen to be drawing, nature scene, landscapes, and whatever you like. Okay, so first thing I'm going to draw is I'm going to start basically let me just put one up here. So it's just going to be basically like this, right? No particular plant. So if you can see that or not, but hopefully. And so I'm just going to draw these little lines here, just as a guide, really, just so I know where to remind myself to show the depth of it. And obviously it's going to appear to be smaller and smaller as it goes into the distance here. So I will be time-lapsing it as I go along, okay? Okay, so now I got the foreground here done. I'm going to go to the middle foreground, and this would be the middle ground, and this would be the background at this point. So obviously I'm going to make these smaller as I go further up. So I'll get that started here, and again I'm going to be time-lapsing it for you. Actually, I should have showed you this earlier. I'll just kind of give you an idea of how I draw these. It's actually pretty simple. I'll just do a large one here, and I just go like this, like a figure 8, back around again, down again, and then I just throw these in. So let me get back into it here. So yeah, I guess at this point you can probably see what I'm doing here as they're getting smaller. Like they're big here and then they're smaller. Now I'm going to be doing the middle ground here, so I'm going to be going even smaller now. The same shape. So now we go to the background here, and yeah, you can just do little oval shapes here, and you don't have to worry about going too crazy with these figure 8 shapes, but obviously this is going to be a lot more detailed because you're going a lot smaller now, right? basically kind of my background, and you can leave it here if you wanted to, like if you wanted this to be a horizon line, but if you wanted to go right to the back, you can do it. I'll show you what to do here. I'm just going to draw like little squiggly lines at this point.